Hi tea friends, welcome back to day number 5 of our daily advent calendar opening. First up we have YawnBrew with candy cane popcorn. It's a black tea with popped rice, apple pieces, white chamomile, and safflower flowers. Next up we have Bird and Blend, which is another candy cane black tea. It also has spearmint, lime leaves, pink cornflowers, red cornflowers, and stevia. Moving on to Adagio, we have white chai, which has ginger, lemongrass, cinnamon, pineapple, white tea, coconut, cloves, cardamom, apple, and red peppercorn. Alrighty, next up we have our 15 days of socks. This one I really liked the pair of socks that came in it. It has a little pug he's just the grumpiest thing ever. He was super cute, definitely one of my favorites that came out of this calendar. For our last tea advent, we have DAVIDsTEA. This one we got Blueberry Fields Forever, which has apple, oolong tea, hibiscus, bean peels, blueberry leaves, elderberries, butterfly pea flowers, cornflower, blueberries, pomegranate blossoms, and stevia. And to finish up today, we got a milk chocolate truffle. And we have no tea review today because I've been working on homework for my university classes, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.